Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to set up fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Scroll down and click on screen lock and biometrics. Enter your phone pin and you will see fingerprint is here. If you want to set up fingerprint, click on fingerprint and click on add fingerprint. Click on register, so you will see. And you will see. So that's how you can set a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.